So how to transfer from Sony A7 IV to your Mac operating system. So if you want to transfer from Sony A7 IV to Mac or even Windows, I'll just guide you right over here. The first thing you want to make sure is that you've connected the transfer cable. So right here, I've connected the Type-C port, the other end to my Mac Mini. I have Mac Mini. Yours could be Windows or other options. Now after we connect them, I'm going to turn on the camera. So it's just that you have to set a correct mode. After I turn on the camera, you can see it says on what USB mode I want. Now if you're using Windows, you have to select this image transfer MTP, which is media transfer protocol. But if you're doing MTP on Mac, it will not recognize. So remember, for Windows users you have to select MTP, and for macOS users you have to select MSC because it's going to be much more easier for you. Now when I select MSC, you can see it says connecting to mass storage. Now right over here you should be able to see that my macOS or my camera is actually showing up here. I can just make sure to double click on it, and then I'll be able to go within its root folder as well, and within the clip folder, and then I'll be able to go ahead and then transfer my videos and my photos and so on. Before you remove the cable, I always want you to eject it properly by right clicking on it and selecting the eject button. Now just remember, if you are using Windows, what you have to do is you have to select MTP, but for Mac users you have to select MSC. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.